Happy birthday to me. Oh, I already cut that, didn't I? Alright, so our good friends at Amazon decided they was going to go ahead and send me my stuff. Let's see what we got. Wait. NRG. If you don't know what this is, video coming soon. Let's see here. Yeah, tape everything up, don't they? Oh, I hate knives. I always think I'm gonna cut myself. Let's see what we got. I know. I'm a rookie, y'all. Got instructions. Got a little sticker. Whatever. Adapter list. Let's see here. Now I know everybody on YouTube goes through. This is a quick release for what's in that box. Let's see here. Looks pretty good. Feels good quality. Put this on in the morning. The horn. Let's see what else is in here. Oh man. Kind of hoping it's going to have the airbag thingy. Let's see what else we got. Okay. This would be NRG short hub adapter. That's what that is. And let's see what else I got. Anybody could take a wild guess what this might be? Some more NRG. Watch it be all taped up. Not too much. I'll tell you what, they do some good packaging. Got my steering wheel. What's this? What do y'all think? Let me know. Black with black stitching. It's got the suede. I think it's 3 or 6 inch, six inch deep. put this on tomorrow. All right.